Hi, I'm Tejaswini from Words Maya. And let me ask you a question. Have you often attended meetings where you felt it was waste of time but attendance was mandatory? Now, if that has happened with you quite often, or you are the person who is leading to such reactions, then you need to step back and think what is going wrong. Because if people are attending meetings and are not interested in it, it is pure waste of time. No productive outcome is going to come out of it. So now we're going to talk about how to make your next team meeting interesting and productive. The first step that you do is inform the time and the purpose. Before the meeting, you normally send a mail to people who are expected to participate in the meeting. When you send these mail, you normally share the time of the meeting, and at times you do share the purpose but not very clear. Now when you are sharing the time, you just don't say the meeting is going to start at 12:30. But you will also mention how long the meeting is going to go. So if you say the meeting will start at 12:30, it will end at 1:30. So you need to be very specific of the time, how long the meeting is going to go. Second, you're going to state the purpose of the meeting. The meeting is to discuss what all activities can we conduct in our CSR project. Now this gives a very clear idea what to expect in the meeting. Now the next point is you stick to the agenda of the meeting. Yes, when you are conducting the meeting, stick to the points that are expected to be discussed in the meeting. So if you are having a meeting with regards to the CSR activity, then stick only to that. Don't divert the discussion into the sales of the organization or into the holidays that are coming up or the HR related policies that have changed. No, stick to what you have gathered to discuss. The third point that you need to keep in mind is have a question and answer sort of meeting where you put forth a question and get response from the participants of the meeting. So they feel more involved in the meeting, and of course their attention is higher because you are asking questions. So they of course have to be alert, and also they know that they have to participate in the meeting. Don't go on a monologue just because you have got the opportunity to talk. And the fourth and the last point is stick to the time. So if you have said the meeting is going to go on for half an hour, please ensure you end the meeting in half an hour. Recently, I worked with a college and the head of the college was conducting a meeting for an hour. And that person managed to complete the meeting in an hour. They reached on time, they discussed the relevant issues, and they ended the meeting 5 minutes prior to the allotted time, leaving 5 minutes for question and answer. Now these are the kind of meetings that people would want to go because they know their time will be valued and respected. So keep these 4 pointers in mind the next time you're conducting a meeting, and you will see the difference in the level of productivity and participation. Thank you and happy learning.